In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset a Salesforce password in the 2025 edition. Whether you're resetting it for yourself or assisting a team member, this guide will take you through the process step by step, and it will only take around 5 minutes to complete. Let's get started by logging into your Salesforce account. If you're already here, that's great. If not, go ahead and enter your login credentials to access your Salesforce dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Setup menu. You can find this by looking for the gear icon located at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it, and from the drop-down, select Advanced Setup. This section is where you can configure various settings and manage user profiles within Salesforce. Now, within the Advanced Setup page, you'll see a search bar labeled Quick Find on your left. Simply type in the word Users. This will filter out the list of available options, showing you the Users section. Click on it to proceed. Once you're in the Users section, you'll be presented with a list of all the user accounts associated with your Salesforce instance. To reset a particular user's password, locate their name on the list. You'll see a drop-down arrow next to each user's name. Click on that drop-down arrow. Within the menu, select the Reset Password option. It's important to note that this will only work if your user permissions allow you to manage passwords. After clicking on Reset Password, you'll need to confirm your selection by clicking Reset once more on the confirmation dialog. Doing this will trigger an automatic email sent to the user's registered email address in Salesforce. This email contains the reset link and any further instructions they need to reset their password successfully. The user will need to access their email inbox and locate the email from Salesforce. If it doesn't arrive within a few minutes, they should check their spam or junk folder just in case. Once they've received the email, instruct them to click on the reset link provided. Upon clicking the link, they'll be directed to a page where they can enter their new password. It's important to remind them that their new password must comply with the password policies enforced by Salesforce. Typically, this involves a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. They'll also have to enter the new password twice to confirm it. Once that's done, have them click to submit, and the reset process is complete. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to reset a Salesforce password in 2025. This process ensures that security is maintained while allowing users to regain access efficiently. Thank you for watching, and remember to leave any questions or comments below.